Hello and welcome to our brand new production facility here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. When we first arrived here 6 months ago, there was absolutely nothing here. Since then, we've worked with building contractors, developers to build this absolutely fantastic production space. Together with our on-ground build experts in Saudi Arabia, we're ready to deliver projects of any scale in the kingdom.
Even though Maestra have been delivering projects in the kingdom for almost 10 years, we've responded to our clients' requirements to open a duplicate facility here in KSA to service their needs.
We have equipped our workshop with the latest machinery, including multiple large format CNC machines.
بحمد الله انتهينا من تركيب هذه الغرفة الكبيرة لرش الطلاء وغرفة التجفيف.
We have a wide range of temporary modular structures available.
You are invited to visit our workshop, explore our brand new machinery, understand Showblock and meet our amazing team.